Darling loves, ito yung pa-science ko dito sa aking kitchen. Pa-science ba? Yan, that's my experiment. Pa-science ba? Ganun. Look at my cooking. Do you think this is good? You know what? When you try this, it's really yummy. Yung mga hindi kumakain ng hilaw na gulay, ganitong gagawin nyo. Kakainin talaga nila yung puro gulay. Ang sarap kaya. This is my cooking now. Let's try. I know it's good. Tanggalin natin yan. And we have to cut. Let's see. Alam niyo yung itlog namin dito, magkano? $12 for 1 dozen. Ay! Alam niyo ba yan? Kasarap, oh. Wow! Sarap, crispy. Ang nilagay ko, konting noodles, bean sprout, carrots, at saka itlog sa gitna. Ang sarap. Pwede kayo magsawsawa ng ketchup, pero ito ako hindi na kasi may lasa na siya, masarap. Ito ulit, panibag. Takpan natin. Takpan natin para maluto agad. What is your conclusion about for my experiment? Ay, unsay mo lasa? Alasahan mo? That's like
Bukoy.
ha, ukoy. Ukoy, ukoy version. Ayan, ukoy with egg pala, ukoy. Ayan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay?